Hey guys, what's going on? I am replacing the exhaust on a 2016 Silverado, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip, and that's how to, it's pretty self-explanatory to most mechanics, but I figure somebody may search this because I had a little bit of difficulty popping this off. This is the first exhaust hanger after the ball and socket joint, at the front, or probably in the midsection of the car, just before the muffler on the Silverado. So anyways, my quick tip is, all I did was I took some Croil and I basically sprayed the backside and the front side where the hanger actually inserts into the rubber mount. And then what I did was, now you have to have already loosened up your ball and socket clamp, which I've done, so that's completely loosened. And then all I did was, while pulling on this side of the pipe, actually with my left hand and then with my right hand, all I did was take the dead blow hammer. This is a hammer with like sand or BBs in it, so it gives it a nice strike. I just hit that rubber mount that way while I was pulling in the opposite direction on the exhaust mid pipe, and that thing popped right off. Okay guys, that is it. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. Also, we'd love to have you subscribe and show your support. And while you're doing that, there's a bell icon that you can click to get notifications when I upload videos. I'm doing a lot of modifications to a 2016 Silverado at the moment, and we do a lot of Chevy and LS stuff. So that's it. Over and out, guys. I will talk to you soon.